Oneida, there was one day that we participated in cultural ceremony, and this really opened my eyes. It just like a light bulb. Oh my God, this is what I want to do. I want to be able to help my family, Bart and Elizabeth. They lost their identity. They've always told me that they didn't feel that they fit. They didn't think they were indigenous. They thought, they were Shoganosh, And then we always told them, no, you're part of family. So again, like I said, my light bulb just went off. I said, oh my God, I follow tradition. I do, I do this, I do that. Then I thought, oh wow, I get to help my brother understand more about ceremonies, sun dance, rain dance, whatever ceremonies that are out there. I thought, oh my God, I said, this is it.
We have some barriers in the support and services that we provide to members of our community who are hard of hearing, also deaf. So the health center was approached by a community member to pursue the American Sign Language learning. So that opportunity was presented to us, and a lot of the legwork was done by one of our members of the community, connected with our LDM through WDC, and also asked how the health center can support this initiative. So we know if we are able to provide that ongoing support and involve community members in learning the American Sign Language, it gives us that, I guess, more willingness to provide our members with support when in need. So if somebody walking into the health center, I know some basics now on how to support that individual, and so do the other 10 people who have been involved and made the commitment to be a part of this initiative for the whole week.
We're signing Oneida Sign Language and American Sign Language, exact English. So there's kind of three styles of teaching going on. And we're working with First Nation communities so that our sign language is culturally appropriate. Each community has different learning styles, some with their hands a lot faster. And they seen that she was doing Oneida Sign Language, which was meaning she was developing some new signs for words. And she never realized that language was different from the American Sign Language. And so now, with the chorus, we're able to talk about our nation, and the land is here, and the water, and then the people, which is indigenous, and that's a new sign that was developed for indigenous people. Well, my sister grew up in Oneida, and she basically didn't have anybody else to learn the language with. And so in her quest to develop the language, she, I guess, worked with the council and the Language and Resource Center, and then anybody else that she could advocate to understand what American Sign Language was and how it was needed in a community. And I guess, as it turned into inclusion, it was a service that needed to be offered in a community. And the other thing, the big factor, was that she had 5 children that were deaf. And then so she was the advocate. And then now today she has 9 grandchildren, and they all have different levels of hearing. So they're all considered deaf, I guess you would say.
We have children that are hard of hearing in school, and what is there for our children? So this is the reason why, I'm just so happy that I'm finally pursuing my dream and to help other people to learn a language.
Our people are such good learners and they're good people. And when we're doing the training is like, it's good. It's really good. It's good energy and it's good healing for everybody. ASL, sign language, plus English. Oh, and Indigenous are different. First Nation, Indigenous language is important. Yeah, to share with all the Indigenous people need to share in that learning of Indigenous languages. And the other thing is just keeping it alive, like it's strengthening another factor of saving our language.